Hi, welcome to another episode of Western Roundup. Today, we rejoice with the residents who finally received potable water, those who now boast state-of-the-art infrastructure, persons who received care packages, and some young people who have started farming as a business. Stay with us. We'll be right back. "30 years without potable water can definitely be a burden. But today, the residents of Flower Hill in St. James are elated, having received running water through their pipes.
I'm very, very, very happy. Because you see, this water problem, it has been plaguing this community for years and years and years gone by. And for us to see water turn on today, for us to get it in the house, that's a big boost.
The project was executed by the Rural Water Supply Limited at a cost of $110 million and was funded through the government's CAP-A program. Similarly, over in Claremont, Hanover, the residents received water in their pipes after 48 years without the commodity. The $400 million project is being spearheaded by the National Water Commission and will benefit approximately 8,000 persons. Both water systems were commissioned by Prime Minister Andrew Holness and are equipped with 3 lifting stations, storage tanks, and gravity lines. Back in Barretttown, St. James, the residents are singing praises for the new infrastructural developments that have significantly boosted their community.
I love to see where I go on right now for this good while. At the first, we see this I go on, you see, and we love it. People in the community, them feel good about what's going on. Here we have a park now, and it look good. We usually have a little violence in the community, but everything kind of cool now.
7-year-old Tamelia Thompson is particularly happy for the new state-of-the-art park.
I feel nice and I give God blessing, and yeah, I love God. Having fun and my friends, I meet some new friends.
The other infrastructure projects include a multi-purpose community center, the removal of zinc fences along Vietnam Road, and a newly constructed infant school. Resident representative for World Bank Jamaica, Ozan Sivimli, praised the project for its impact.
Barretttown is one great example of how we can actually make a change, make a difference, and with some investments. And it is community development, but I would say it's actually a community transformation. And I hope you have seen what kind of a transformation we have gone through here in Barretttown. What makes this program really successful, in my view, is that it's combined with infrastructure, basic infrastructure, roads, pavements, street lights, piping, electricity, and more, and schools, safe passages. But it also has the social intervention with skills development, life coaching, entrepreneurship skills.
The projects were completed under the European Union-funded Poverty Reduction Program and the World Bank-funded Integrated Community Development Project, ICDP. The effects of COVID-19 continues to bear heavily on our nation, but the government, through partnerships, continues to support the vulnerable. Residents of St. Elizabeth were the most recent recipients of care packages through a partnership under the Ministry of National Security's Live Good campaign and J. Ray and Nephew Limited. Key stakeholders accepted the packages on behalf of the residents and expressed their gratitude.
We recognize throughout this COVID period that the students have been, I would say, deprived, because we have got the calls and we have been in touch with parents and students on a whole, and this gift today will be something great for them. And the biggest surprise and the fruit basket that we got, that's a difference. Normally you get a lot of staples, but this added addition will be much appreciated.
We are a proud recipient of the care packages today by J. Ray and Nephew Foundation. We have received tremendous support from the foundation, and this will go a far way in helping to reach out to the needs of some of our students as well as members of our community who are in need.
Finally, in Westmoreland, we highlight a group of young people that are contributing to Jamaica's food security even during this pandemic. They call themselves YIELD, Young Innovative Entrepreneurs Leading Development.
This is a group of 20 young individuals who saw it fit to come together and go in the farming industry.
During the COVID time, when we couldn't sell, we started a farm-to-home delivery service as well. So we didn't give up, and we have a group of hard-working persons, and we are willing to grow it to feed ourselves. We want to treat it as a business.
Yes, we want to expand on the hotel industry. I know that hotel needs like vegetables on large scales and so forth. Yes. So we want to supply them. Yes, while supplying ourselves also.
Yes, we are interested in economic growth, and we understand that agriculture is the backbone and it provides food security to Jamaica. So we are really interested in that as well.
Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett expressed satisfaction with the young entrepreneurs.
I'm excited with prospects. I want to come back here and see, and not just your sweet potato, but also the many other things that, yes, and to see the dream of making this into agriculture. I want to come and see the 100 coconut palms that you're putting in. And I want you to use you as an example to other young people across Jamaica to get involved and to recognize that, look, it's not about what is given to you, it's about what you have put into the whole process that will make you a fulfilled and developed person. So congratulations.
Quite inspiring. We wish them every success. Well, that's all for the program today. As usual, thanks for watching Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Take care.